Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to see code withdrawal limit on Tangerine Bank account. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all I'm just gonna open my internet browser and I'm on the official website. So according to them, the daily ABM withdrawal limit is $1,200. So, and it cannot be changed online. So if, however, you wanna increase your limit, you have to call them on this number right here. You can pause the video and note this number down. You just have to call them on this number and request them to increase your limit if you want to. And if your request is accepted, they will increase your limit within 24 hours or 48 hours. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.